Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to enable GPU Rasterization in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 or Windows 10. GPU Rasterization allows Edge to use your graphics card instead of the CPU to render web pages. This can improve performance, reduce CPU usage, and make scrolling much smoother. Since Microsoft Edge is based on Chromium, this feature is available through Edge flags just like in Google Chrome. So let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Now click on the address bar and then type here edge://flags. After that, press enter on the keyboard. Now in the search flags box, type GPU. Beside GPU Rasterization, click on the drop down menu, choose here enabled option. Now click on the restart button. Once Edge restarts, GPU Rasterization will be enabled. You should now notice a smoother scrolling and better performance, especially on heavy websites. If you face any issues, you can go back and set it to default. That's it. This is how you can enable GPU Rasterization in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.